In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset or change your password in Microsoft Teams. This is an essential skill for maintaining the security of your account and ensuring that you can always access your Teams environment securely. First, let's begin by opening Microsoft Teams. You can do this by navigating to their website or using the Teams app on your device. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Once you've accessed your account, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find your profile icon, often with your initials or profile picture if you've set one. Click on your profile icon. Doing so will bring up a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select My Microsoft Account. This will redirect you to your main Microsoft account homepage where you can manage all your account settings and personal information. Once you're on the Microsoft account page, look for the option that says Change Password. It might be located under the Security or Password section, typically displayed in a prominent part of the interface. Clicking on Change Password will lead you to a new page, specifically designed to guide you through the password updating process. Now, you'll need to enter your current password for security reasons. This step is important because it ensures that you are the legitimate owner of the account and helps in preventing unauthorized changes to your settings. Once you've entered your current password, you're ready to define a new one. Type your new password in the designated field. Remember, for your security, it's best to create a strong password that includes a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using common words or easily guessed information like birthdays or simple sequences. After entering your new password, you will need to re-enter it in the Re-enter Password field. This step is crucial as it ensures you haven't made any typos and confirms that you know the password you've just set. Double check for accuracy to avoid being locked out of your account later on. Finally, once you've verified and re-entered your new password, look for the Save button. Clicking this will apply your new password settings, completing the process. You'll want to make sure you save these changes promptly to protect your account from any unauthorized access. Congratulations, you've successfully reset or changed your password in Microsoft Teams. This small effort helps ensure that your account remains secure, giving you peace of mind and continued